one fights alone. No one fights alone.
Clean makes a noise!
September is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month.
Gold is the color of our ribbon.
Every 2 minutes, somewhere in the world, a child is diagnosed with cancer.
46 children are diagnosed daily in the United States alone.
Seven children will lose their battle and gain their wings each day in the United States. Blaze, fire it up.
In the race against cancer, these kids need to start on the pole.
They need a pit crew to help them get to the checker flag first.
Help them cross the finish line first.
Awareness brings change.
Help us spread awareness.